Is Senslyt a scam or are they actually legit? Let's get straight to the truth, fast. So, Senslyt is an online retailer that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. But here's what you need to know before you click buy. First up, is Senslyt operational? Yes, the website is very much active and they do ship out orders. But, and here's the catch, customer reviews are all over the place. Some shoppers get what they ordered, but a lot of people report the same problems over and over. The most common complaint? Quality. So, those pictures of cozy cotton sweaters or luxe wool jackets? In reality, many customers say what shows up is thin, shiny polyester. It's like ordering a latte and getting a cup of plain milk. Next, sizing. If you're used to US or European sizes, be ready for a surprise. A medium might feel more like an extra small. Returns are possible, but that brings me to another headache: customer support. A lot of users say it's slow, hard to get answers, and the return process is, let's just say, not easy. And returning something overseas can end up costing more than what you paid for the item in the first place. Red flags? Oh, there are a few. Senslyt uses a lot of stock photos. Those perfect-looking outfits probably aren't original shots. And those too good to be true prices? Usually they are. Bottom line, if it looks like a designer deal at a fraction of the price, expect a knockoff. So, is Senslyt a total scam? Not really. You'll probably get your order, but the risk is you might not get what you expected. Here's my pro tip. If you do want to try Senslyt, always use a secure payment method like PayPal. That way, if your item isn't as described, you've got a little extra protection. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, shop safe, and if you've had an experience with Senslyt, drop your story.